Bridging the digital divide in rural America is no small feat, and Carroll Township just took a giant leap forward. After months of dedicated work, the community celebrated a significant achievement last Friday: the completion of the final fibre splice in a USDA-funded broadband project that promises to deliver fast, reliable internet to around 500 homes and businesses in Ottawa County. This initiative, made possible through a USDA loan program and executed by the local internet provider Amplex, tackles a problem that has long plagued rural residents: spotty and unreliable internet connectivity. For years, many in Carroll Township have struggled with poor coverage, especially during storms or adverse weather conditions, which often lead to frustrating outages. Unfortunately, in the township, many areas suffer from very weak coverage, and even where service exists, it's often unreliable, explains Sandy Sheeran, a Carroll Township trustee. We experience patchy signals and frequent disruptions, especially when the weather turns bad. The project's completion marks the end of construction that began in April, finally bringing fibre broadband to hundreds of homes and businesses that previously had limited or no access to high-speed internet. Today is a milestone. The final splice is done, and we're officially lighting up the network, said Mark Rattabor, CEO and President of Amplex. This means the last location is now connected and ready to go. But this isn't just about faster Netflix streams or smoother video calls. For rural families, dependable broadband is a lifeline that supports essential activities like education, remote work, and emergency response. The most important aspect is speed and consistency, Sheeran emphasized. Whether it's kids attending school from home, which we hope won't be the norm, or adults working remotely, having a stable connection is crucial. Plus, as our community grows, this infrastructure will grow with us. First responders stand to gain significantly as well. Firefighters and EMS teams often operate in remote, dead zones where connectivity is poor or non-existent, Sheeran added. This new fibre network should greatly improve communication in those critical areas. Charles Tassel, Ohio State Director of USDA Rural Development, highlighted the broader significance of this project. Trying to navigate the information highway with a slow connection is like breathing through a straw, he said. Our goal is to ensure that rural communities receive full broadband service, leveling the playing field for everyone. The USDA Rural Development Program supports rural areas through three main pillars: housing, business and industry assistance, and community facilities. These efforts are designed to foster growth and improve quality of life in rural America. Carroll Township's broadband upgrade is just one part of a larger regional expansion. Amplex is gearing up to start the next phase of construction in about a month, which will extend fibre service to an additional 1,100 homes across the region. Serving primarily Ottawa, Sandusky, Wood and Hancock counties, with some reach into neighbouring areas, Amplex has evolved significantly since its founding in 1997. Originally a dial-up provider, the company introduced fixed wireless broadband in 2003 and began offering fibre services in 2015. Today, Amplex supports over 13,000 customers with broadband, phone and television services. Residents in the newly connected areas can sign up for service by contacting Amplex directly or visiting their website at http://amplex.net. For those curious about coverage, the company's service area map is available here: http://publicmaps.amplex.net/. This project is a vital piece of a statewide push to close the digital divide, ensuring that rural communities have internet access comparable to urban areas. But here's where it gets controversial. As broadband expands, questions arise about affordability and whether these improvements will truly reach the most underserved populations. Are these investments enough to guarantee equitable access, or do they risk leaving some behind? What do you think? Is the current approach to rural broadband development sufficient, or should more aggressive measures be taken? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. For more details on USDA rural development broadband programs, visit http://rd.usda.gov/